So tell me, at the point when you came into Sapalika, you had already been through a few IUIs, one IVF. What was your state of mind?
So it was a very emotional time. One thing that I was looking for at that time when we joined Sipalika, which I got from, especially from you, Mahesh, and I did not get it from my fertility doctor and my gynecologist, is an acceptance that yeah, something bad has happened to us. And we were already going through this for the past, I think, 1.5 year, where I had polyps. I went through multiple surgeries to get that removed, and then. Our doctor clearly told us that something like this, something like a missed abortion has happened, and there's a likelihood that it might happen again, and then we have to be very aggressive in our approach. When we had the first consultation call with you, and you accepted and you said that this is a torturous procedure, IVF, and it just felt good because I was just looking for someone to accept that yeah, something bad has happened, which was missing somewhere throughout the journey that we faced with our doctors. So one thing that Abhishek said, which really helped me to go through the journey, was that he said that even if we do not get a positive outcome, we'll at least get our health back, we'll at least get our lifestyle back. And that is much more important. At least it was that time, it was much more important, given that what 2 years journey had done to our health, specifically my body, because I did not really recognize how these changes are going to impact me, and they impacted in a very negative way. My weight was really increasing, and the body felt heavy all the time, the mood swings, the lethargy, and everything. And that's why it has always been easy to have these discussions with you guys, because you guys always break down the information rather than just assuming that we know everything, which is one thing that I also wanted my gynecologist to explain it to me, that if something is happening, why is this happening, rather than assuming that just because we have access to internet, so we should know everything. That is not something that we were looking for.